Ultra-modern house ba ang hanap mo at nasa loob ng isang exclusive subdivision? Baka ito na yon. Dito ito sa Alabang, Muntinlupa City. May 3-car garage, may garden. At pagpasok makikita mo yung open layout na living, dining, and kitchen. Meron pa tong elevator kasi 3-level house to. Kaya ang floor area nito ay nasa 800 square meters. Meron din tong garden at swimming pool. 400 square meters naman ang lot area. Meron din tong den dito sa ground floor at fully fitted kitchen. Complete na ng mga kitchen appliances. May daily kitchen din at maid's room and driver's room sa labas. Check natin yung second floor. Pwede tayong mag-staircase or mag-elevator. Dito sa second floor may 3 bedrooms at may malawak na family area. Lahat ng mga bedrooms may own bathroom. At itong master bedroom, super size. Fully air-conditioned din. At malawak ang kanyang balcony. Ito naman yung walk-in closet and bathroom na may bathtub at double sink. Tawag ka lang pag gusto mo na itong makita ha. Yung price and full details nasa description box below the video or nasa comment section.